Alright, good morning guys. Just barely woke up. We're trying to get the sunrise shot here in Yosemite. Alright guys, so we finally made it here at Tunnel View. Look at all nothing but photographers here. Because of that right there. Woo. This is our car right here. I'll take my shots later. Look at this, picture perfect. Alright guys, so this is our car right here. We got a nice view of this. Alright guys, so we're going convertible and it is snowing.
It's so cold, so we'll see.
And this idiot just went the wrong way. We're out of here.
Hopefully they can see the view from the sky.
Can they? If not, it's okay. We'll just flip it.
Alright, here's us doing the convertible.
Ooh, it's cold!
It's cold!
Rambo doesn't care.
Guys, we're here now at the Bridalveil Falls. It's so nice. And then when you turn, here's the El Capitan and here's our car.
Someone is really enjoying the convertible. Look at him. He goes, I'm the king of the world. I am Mufasa.
Mufasa.
Oh wow, look, I didn't see this last night. It's like, oh.
There's a Rambo. He's like, yes.
Yes, I love convertibles.
I see everything.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting hotter now. It's 41 degrees now.
Okay, good. Oh.
It got 2 degrees hotter.
Alright guys, it's snowing now. Snowing.
He's finally out. Well, we've been walking him here and there. And wow, was that the same bird that was following us in Tunnel View? Oh, he's eating. He's eating. And here we are. Look at this nice. This is what Sentinel Park, with the nice, cute brown bridge and the view of El Capitan, I think. Yeah. And then there's that nice waterfall right there. Alright guys, I found a spot where there's no photographers. And look at this view. Woo! Look at that. I think that's Yosemite Falls, I think. Yeah. Finished taking pics of all this. We're right here, like in the middle of the valley. Wow, you could hear the waterfall from here.
Alright guys, here's more of some nice view. It's truly winter wonderland here. And it's like 360 degrees. You have so beautiful views. He's just taking some quick pictures of our car.
Alright guys, so we're here on the ice and snow.
Yeah.
And we're just looking for a parking spot. We found a few parking spots. We just gotta head back there. Alright guys, so ice and snow.
Easy peasy.
It's like regular.
Here we're doing our own
Snow
off-road.
off-road. Yeah. We don't get stuck. There you go.
There you go.
Let's take a picture here.
We found another parking and we kind of off-road a little bit.
Snow road.
And there's the half dome right there.
Alright, more 4x4 snow adventure.
Yeah. Oh, this is so easy.
Easy and fun. Oh. Oh man, I wish it was longer. That's it. Here, I'm gonna stick to this side. I'll be the snow blow. Okay, that's it. Oh, that was fun.
That's fun.
Oh yeah, I put it on all-wheel drive, slippery mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the settings on the goat.
Alright guys, we're now in this famous falls. It's the Yosemite Falls. You can see there's like 3 tiers. It's so majestic. And here's my two friends.
Alright guys, so we're getting closer and closer, and man, you could already hear the sounds from here. Look at that. Wow. I mean, we could go closer, but I don't know. Oh, there's a doggy friend. Oh, our doggy friend, she should have it over. Oh, there's a lot of them.
So they're taking the long route. Because there's some friends over here. So they're taking the long route over there.
Alright, so here we are. The background of El Capitan. Man,
It's really tall.
yeah, look how tall that is. And here we are. In the middle of this valley. Feels so unreal too. Alright, it's snowing.
Yeah, it's snowing and raining hard.
Yeah. All at the same time.
All at the same time.
But it's all good.
Yeah. There's the cool looking rock.
Or slash tunnel. It's a half a tunnel.
There's half a tunnel.
It's a tunnel shape, rock shape. Alright, so this is our balcony and our view. And this river comes from Yosemite. Because Yosemite is just over there. That's Yosemite right there. And then there's the Yosemite sign. Let's see if I could close up right there. Yosemite National Park right there. That's how close we are.
Okay guys, we're just cooking some food for lunch while they both rest there. And we have today's menu, vegetable soup, and we have our air fryer. In here we have salmon. Round three to go back. It's raining hard.
No, it's raining alright.
Okay, then hopefully we'll still see some views.
Hopefully.
And hopefully we don't need to pay for the entrance fee.
If we do, we're making a U-turn.
Yeah.
ain't trying to waste 35 bucks.
I know for just like 30 minutes or something. So
yeah, because when we got here, it was free because it was closed, or their booth was closed already.
And then this morning we
got here really early.
Too early,
so it was still closed.
Yeah. Right, here's the entrance, and there's a lead person there.
Oh, what do I tell him? Can we just make a U-turn? Yeah.
You're putting Rambo's window down. Rambo.
Hi, can we just make a U-turn?
$50.
Oh.
Yeah, just be safe. Everybody's leaving right now. So
All right.
Just be careful.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
We're going back.
Going back. Because we ain't going to see jack squat.
I know.
Alright guys, so she went ahead and bought some pizza for us. A small one. And this is what we got. Their River Special Pizza. Looks good. Smells good. Alright, let's do this.